What's going on, guys? Steve from the MinMasters here, and today I'm going to show you to put a new piece of window glass in your truck. So I'm sure you've seen it many times on the road. You've seen people that have had the windows smashed out of their vehicle for some reason or another, or they're bad, and they just take duct tape and a plastic bag and stick it over there, and they drive around like that until they think they can afford what is a really expensive repair. It's actually pretty simple to do. So my glass is not broken. It's just got a lot of scratches, and he's got these long horizontal scratches. And you know what? I tried all the little different buffing things. I'd probably be here for days to make that stuff go away. So I decided to replace it. The glass is pretty cheap. So first things first is you're going to have to remove the door panel on these trucks. You just pull that screw out of there, this one here, and then right here in the handle is that torque screw there, and then of course the handle pulls off. Aside from that, it has the plastic tabbies that hold this in. So one of those, they've got a bunch of those. So you just slowly pry the door away. And then if you're like the guy who owned this truck before me, there's a few drywall and exterior screws holding other bits on there. So you're gonna take this off, and then I'll show you what to do once it's off. So here we are, the door panel is off, and we have clear, visible access to the inside of the door, of course, after you peel this plastic dust cover away. So here's what you gotta do. Right here is the track at the lower part of the window. Clear it up for you there. And that piece is the only thing holding this piece of glass in there. That's it. As the window goes up and down, this moves along the track, and it's at several positions, whether it's in the up and down positions. Right now the window is in the down position, and what holds it in a track, is this rubber track on the other side that goes all the way down the window. All you have to do is get the window out of that track. So you're gonna pull this bolt out, which I've already taken the liberty of doing. Put that over there. And then what you're actually gonna do is you're gonna twist this guy here, and it's actually gonna pop this window free, like that. And now what you do is you crank the window up, and it'll actually crank the window out of the frame. So it's gonna come out like this. And that's when you can push that little track piece out. I know that's a lot to do, but hopefully I can get it up halfway, and I'll bring you back so you get the idea. So here we are at the halfway point. As you can see that the glass is cockeyed, so you can see it's loose. So what we're trying to do is get this at a point in the track where it's near the edge, and all we do is adjust the piece of glass over, and then it comes right out. So you're going to do that by cranking up. So see how this is, and it's moving along the track. Eventually we're going to get this thing till it's all the way over. Because there's nothing stopping the window, this arm actually can reach up pretty far in here and will almost push itself out of that track. You just need to tilt the glass a little more and assist it right out. So I'm going to do that, bring you guys back. Here we are, the window's out. I'm currently propping it up against myself, and you can see that's the piece that rides in the bottom of that track there. And like I said, all we did is I got it up so high enough, and then I angled it out, and it came right out. That's it. That's it. I mean, look at this. This is I've been doing this for about 10 minutes, sort of counting videoing, and I have the piece of glass out. Not to mention the new one, bought on Amazon for like 60 bucks. So I'm going to put this back in and kind of walk you through that a little bit, and we'll be done. Okay, so here we are. I'm putting a new piece of glass in. As you can see, I've got it in this general position. It's actually holding itself up. See, no hands. And so, as you can see, I started to insert the little sliding track into here. Cool thing is the new track's aluminum, which is pretty sweet. So you just get it in there, and then I'm just gonna slowly angle the glass back, and then we're gonna lower it back down in, angle it back in, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that. I'll bring you guys back. Here we are, guys. As you can see, the window glass is back in place, mounted in each one of its guide tracks, and of course it's back in the track down here. And guess what? It works. It goes down when it needs to, and it goes up. So the only thing I'm going to do extra is I'm going to put some lithium grease in this track to make this run easier. This plastic piece is all kind of gummy and nasty, and of course this is brand new aluminum that is ungreased, and that's just going to help it the window roll down faster, especially considering you can see that this has got some kind of surface rust. So aside from that, that's it. All you have to do is put your bolt back in here, put your piece of plastic up, and slap your door panel on, and you're cruising down the road again. So guys, as you can see, this is a really simple repair. maybe 20 minutes max, and that's including me running over to get my phone off the charger to film this thing. So definitely consider doing this one. Please avoid doing the whole duct tape and plastic bag thing because you think this is going to be expensive or you think you can't do it yourself. It's really, really simple. So anyway, guys, you get a chance, hit the subscribe icon, subscribe to my channel, check out some of my other videos on there. There's a lot of other repairs you can do yourself in an afternoon just like this. I'm Steve from the Minimasters. Thanks for watching.